You're sitting in class and suddenly, grrr, your stomach growls loud enough for everyone to hear. But why does it happen? Most people think it's a signal for food. But there's more going on inside. When your stomach is empty, it sends out muscle contractions to keep things moving. It's like your body's way of saying, hey, time for a refill. As your stomach muscles contract, they push air around, which causes that rumbling sound we call a growl. So the next time your stomach growls, just know, it's your body's way of staying active and ready for food.